Welcome back to the shop house, JW's Garage and the channel. I'm not wasting any time, so let's get out to the shop and show you what's going on. Buddy, you keep an eye on things. Comment below if you know who that is. Alright, so out here in the garage, kind of got all the old signs and stuff put up from the previous garage. I just washed the place. And we already got in here what I call Project Ranch Truck, a 2005 F-150. It's got the Triton V8, 5.4 liter. It's got some running problems. The owner decided to keep it, put some money into it. So what we're gonna do is we've gone through, we've done a deep cleaning of all the interior. The front seats are all finished up. Let me show you what we did on the inside. Went through the inside and you would have almost swore this interior was brown. I'm gonna steam clean this a couple, 2-3 more times, see if I can get those soda stains out that are all up underneath where the seat was, where it all puddled, but it's been coming out pretty darn good. Headliner is coming out spotless, clean behind the dash and everything else. We got that all done. The truck itself is gonna get painted. We're going to put some new wheels and tires on it. I'm thinking about some of the method wheels like that are on my OBS Ford. Let me know what you guys think. Needs a new mirror, rear view mirror. Like I said, it's got a bit of an engine running problem. I hooked my scanner to it. It had 5 codes. I just replaced the right side engine bank cam position sensor. That cleared 3 of them. But I could have a fouled plug, something like that, and I'm probably going to pull an oil sample, send it off to the lab, and see what in the world comes back on that. Around the back of the truck, it's got dents and dings and all sorts of stuff in it, but we'll get all those out. Gonna put a new tail light in it. Gonna put a fresh tailgate on it, because this one doesn't even open. We're gonna keep that bottom kind of goldish beige metallic color. But the top, where it's maroon, we're doing a color change, and because this is a ranch truck, we're gonna shoot this in IMRON Elite single stage. If you don't know what that paint is, look it up. It's super durable. I will tell you, it's very pricey. I'm giving it a factory color tone, but I'm actually giving it the type of paint that is used on semi-trucks. Just show you a little bit of an example of how dirty this interior was. Maybe I shouldn't say dirty. I think somebody took a super duper sized big gulp to the lap, and as you can see by the stain just in the seat belt, that's how dirty all this was underneath the seat and back behind it and what have you. And using a couple of products to get this out of here. One is the Bissel, the little green pro. That thing does an amazing job on automotive interior. And then just recently, I think I mentioned this on Instagram, I started using some Chemical Guy products, and I have pretty much switched everything over to Chemical Guys. I am super impressed with their stuff. All their products have been really good so far. Their buffing compounds, their waxes, the upholstery clean. Anyhow, let me show you real quick. I've had this pre-soaking just to get all these stains out of here. By the way, I'll put links down below to all this stuff so you guys can find it on Amazon if you want to. Let's kick this thing on and see what kind of mocha latte we can suck out of this carpet. I think we found the caramel. Anyways, continuing on with the truck here and some of the things we're going to do. You guys saw I did a video before on how to permanently restore headlights, and you can see this one has gotten scratched pretty good. But we should be able to get all of that out of there, and this headlight should look good as new again. This one's in pretty good shape. Underneath the hood here, that cam position sensor that I changed. If you guys have one of these engines and you happen to get that, oh, what was that code number? P0345 cam position sensor failure. Anyways, it's right there. And you have another one right over here. There it is, right down there. So I'm gonna pull that one too and get it replaced. I figure if one is bad, the other one's probably not far behind it. And they didn't cost a ton of money. And if it turns out that we end up putting a replacement engine in here, well, basically I'm gonna take those sensors right back out and those will be going into the new engine. Well, y'all, I'm gonna get back to work here on Project Ranch Truck Restoration. Change out that other cam position sensor, figure out why the number 8 cylinder is misfiring. I think that was code P0300. Anyhow, a couple of things I want to tell you. If you're in that Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're a car enthusiast, go by a place called The Shop. That's where this t-shirt is from. Right there. If you're an automotive enthusiast, you've got to go by this place and consider becoming a member. Guys, we'll catch you next time. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. We'll probably see you again by Friday.